There's beauty in the everyday hustle. Sometimes there are setbacks. But for every bad day, I have 1,000 good ones when I'm with my family. Being a mother means being a teacher, a critic, a supporter, and much more all on the same day. I don't work a 9-to-5 job. Work-life balance is an illusion. And yet, I love being able to make time for my son. But above all, I'm grateful to be a mother, a blogger, and a strong independent woman.
Older or younger, my siblings are my best friends and my worst enemies. The love-hate relationship we have cannot be expressed in a single word. As a sister, I'm also a friend, a shoulder to lean on, a partner in crime, and a supportive companion. It took effort, love, and support to be where I am today, and I'm grateful for having a strong support system like them. As a woman, as a sister, I'm happy to be standing tall, being able to do what I am passionate about.
In the endeavor to be a capable daughter, I work up a sweat to make my parents proud, to have them look at me with their head held high, to be able to tell the society that I took the road less traveled by. My parents raised me like a princess, not pampering me or protecting me from the world, but teaching me how to run my kingdom. So I stand here today as a daughter, as an influencer, as a career-oriented individual, as a passionate, tough, and strong woman who is ready to take on the world even if I'm wearing 6-inch heels.